Lot number 149 is a 2003 Ford F550 Super Duty with a 7.3 liter turbo diesel. This engine sounds great. It's been running for over 45 minutes, idling nice and smooth. I'm going to show you what I see up close. As you can see, the front bumper is rusted and dented. The front grille is faded. The side marker light is missing or broken off. Okay, the fender is okay. The fender, that's some silicone because they might have tried to put it back into place, but there's no actual damage to the fender. It has a little rust, surface rust, but that's minor. The most important thing in this truck is the engine, and I want you to listen to it so you can hear this beautiful engine. Listen to this. It only has 121,000 miles. The AC is blowing ice cold. The body is straight. The front bumper is dented and rusted pretty bad. The fenders look good. The hood looks good. The paint is dull. The decals were painted over with a spray can. The tires look good. Got a nice utility bed, which is enclosed, which also works as a van and a utility bed truck with the tools, the compartments for tools, and you got the bar for you can put a padlock on it to secure your items. I took still photos of the doors open, all doors open and closed properly. I can stand in there. I'm 6'2" and I fit in there perfectly. It's got a full-size hitch. Let me show you the inside. It's got shelving on both sides. Door mechanism on this back door is missing, but you got the padlock. You can put a padlock on there. The handle, the locking handle is broken, but with the master lock, one of those round locks, you'll be fine. The passenger side looks good. The enclosure looks good. This door, the lip is slightly out of place, but the rest of the doors look good. It is 132 inch. It's a rating Classic 2. As you can see on this passenger side door, there's a dent, like a big ding. Got the nice running boards. What's probably going to happen with this truck, they're going to take off that bed and they're going to put a fifth wheel on it and use it for towing. That's what usually happens with these trucks. As you can see, the driver's seat is torn. The AC is blowing cold. The steering wheel looks good. The dash is good. The headliner is hanging. The rubber floor covering looks good. The pedals look good. The door panels are okay. Just needs cleaning. There's like a sticker. Both door panels look good. Now let me rev it up so you can hear this engine. It sounds so good. Let me turn down the AC. It blows really cold. Revs up nice. You hear the turbo whining. Sounds really good. 121,394 miles. All right, so that's pretty much it. 7.3, 2003. Good luck.